broken or cracked window glass? You gotta replace that glass pane as soon as possible to keep your home safe and looking fresh. So, first off, when you see a crack or break, don't just ignore it thinking it'll hold up. Get a replacement glass pane that matches the size and thickness of your old one. Always go for safety glass like tempered or laminated. It's way tougher and less likely to shatter into sharp pieces if it breaks again. Before starting, wear thick gloves and eye protection because dealing with broken glass is sketchy. Remove the broken shards carefully, then clean the frame so the new glass sits perfectly. Use fresh putty or glazing compound to seal the glass pane in place so it doesn't wiggle or leak air. If you're unsure about measuring or handling glass, don't sweat it, call a pro who knows their stuff. Keeping windows in good shape not only saves energy but also keeps bugs and rain out, so it's worth taking seriously. One of the biggest mistakes with broken window glass is trying to patch it up with tape or glue that just doesn't work and looks bad. Instead, replace the entire glass pane for real protection and style. Another issue is using regular glass for replacements instead of safety glass, which can be dangerous if it breaks again. Always pick tempered or laminated glass for safety and durability. Lastly, people often mess up by not sealing the new glass properly, which leads to drafts and water leaks. Make sure to apply a good sealant or glazing compound all around the pane to keep everything tight and secure. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know how to handle window repairs safely and quickly. Plus, contractors get a steady stream of work from people who actually need reliable help with home projects like replacing broken window glass.